machine?
I don't know.
Damn thing won't turn on. The goddamn thing's broke. What the fuck did you do to it?
I didn't do anything.
Goddamn.
Hey.
I bet the motherfucker worked now. I'll tell you, shut the fuck up. Goddamn piece of motherfucking shit.
Fuck?
Man, fuck that goddamn washing machine. Goddamn thing, go to use it. What do you buy this shit for? You broke the motherfucker, Dana. I know you broke the motherfucker. How the fuck did you break the goddamn wash machine?
How did I break it?
You goddamn...
What'd you do?
Shut here. Wash my motherfucking clothes, bitch. Man, fuck y'all.
You broke it.
Fuck it. Throw it in the goddamn garbage.
It could have been fixed.
Fuck it. Fuck it. It ain't working now. I need clothes for tomorrow. Fuck it. Piece of fucking shit. Ah! Get out of here. Fuck that goddamn water. Motherfucking piece of goddamn shit. I just fucking get right out. Nothing goddamn ever works. Fucking shit. Fuck it. God damn it, everything is broke. Fuck it.
More big power plant.
Fuck it. Fuck
Near
it.
the asbestos tower.
Fuck it.
My dad got this
Oh,
one.
damn. Nothing ever works in this goddamn house when you want it to.
They were more than lawyers. They were human beings.
Wait a minute now. Wait. I came last night and paid that bill. I put it under your fucking door. Full fucking shit, man. I know what I do and what I don't do. Man, you need to back here. Shut the fuck up. Who you think you talking to like that? Man, fuck you. Goddamn washer. Motherfucker broke anyway, the goddamn handle. You can have it. Hey, I tell you what, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Let's back up, start over. Yeah. I told you don't talk to me that way, you son of a bitch. Man, fuck you. Come get the broken piece of motherfucking shit. The handle's broke off. It'll be in the goddamn yard. Man, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck. Man, tell you what, you take your bill collecting ass and stick it up a motherfucking Eskimo's ass, you son of a bitch. Don't call me no motherfucking more. Come get your goddamn shit. Yeah, I'll even leave a goddamn bag of trash in the motherfucker for you. Man, fuck you. They're coming to get the goddamn washing machine. Fuck. What are you doing? Turn that goddamn camera off. You're supposed to record that shit. I said turn the goddamn camera off. Turn the goddamn camera. I'll break that motherfucker. Boy,
I'm just...
turn it off. I don't want this shit here. Goddamn Bill Clinton's calling me. Man, fuck. Son of a bitches. I paid the motherfucker. I ain't got no money. Get that motherfucker out of my face. Turn it off, Michael.
Are they gonna get mad about the...
That goddamn motherfucker. I ain't paid the son of a bitch. I lied. I ain't got no money to pay him. I had to take your mom to fucking New York. I had the fucking money.
Are they gonna get pissed that you broke the handle off?
I don't give a fuck. What they gonna do, man? It's one of them rental places, man. They just take the fucking shit back. Fuck them. I just goddamn go Salvation Army and buy me a used one somewhere. I get the money from somewhere. Turn that motherfucker off! I said.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Turn the motherfucker off!
Ow!
I'll go my goddamn room. Motherfucker. Stupid motherfucker. I'm gonna get my washer. You can have that son of a bitch, you son of a bitch. Fuck you. You can come pick it up right, motherfucker. Put it on your goddamn back. Walk get the motherfucking back to the place. Stupid bastards. Come to my goddamn house. Fuck you.
What are you doing?
Bastard. What?
What are you doing?
Come wash all his goddamn clothes when they come get this motherfucker. Goddamn. I'll look at all these goddamn clothes. I ain't get all these washed in motherfucking time.
When are they coming?
Huh?
When are they coming?
They should be here shortly. Man, goddamn it, I done broke the motherfucker. Goddamn you! Piece of fucking shit! Get me going. Come on, man, I gotta get this goddamn clothes washed. Fine, goddamn. Shut up!
It's supposed to make noise.
Shut up! get it good. Ah, fuck them motherfuckers. Shut up. God damn, I need to clothes wash. God damn you. It ain't right. What am I gonna do? Motherfucker. God damn, ain't got no money. What the fuck?
What is it doing? We on a different cycle? Dude!
Fuck them! Fuck them in their goddamn clothes. I get this. What the fuck is this? I done told you about filming me!
Don't anything. What is that?
Oh, hit you with a bird! Go on now, man. Look, I'm mad. Leave me alone. They come get the goddamn washer. I got all these clothes washed when they get here. Then what are you gonna do? Why the fuck you let me break the motherfucker for?
Can't stop you.
Goddamn, I done ripped that off a goddamn wall.
It's been like that. For like a week.
Who fucked it? You do that?
You did it!
I don't care shit up in his house. I don't care nothing. All I do is get the blame for shit. Fuck you.
Are you really gonna leave a bag of garbage in it?
What are you not gonna, yeah, leave your goddamn clothes. That's garbage enough. Can't believe they come to get my goddamn washing all because I can't afford to pay. 1 week I missed. Had the motherfucker 8 months. $30 goddamn dollars a week. That's a lot of goddamn money. I could have got one from Goodwill cheaper than that.
Come on. You get the fucking thing to stop now.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this. It's on the wrong thing.
I told you not to goddamn get in the motherfucker bag. It wasn't worth a fuck. What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here?
Yeah, can I help you? Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I needed.
What washing machine?
The one you guys can't make payments on.
Well, we can't beat the clothes because of rock. This ain't
What the?
I mean, we wouldn't have to do this. You to rip off the fucking button.
Where's that? There it is. God,
Relax.
shut the fuck up.
Well, oh, get real.
What?
What the hell are you gonna try to do?
Y'all done got it fucked up.
What is this gonna do? You're not really. He's plugging this shit in. Can you just unplug the washer? I really have to wash clothes right now. Ah!
I did a good job that time.
Stop! Oh no, Oh, what?
Just shut up.
Oh god, please don't mess with the hot and cold options too. What is this? Oh. Oh god damn, I don't want to look at this.
Damn. If I can go without getting fucking lit.
Please just I'm serious, get your fucking hand away from this. Unplug it. What's this now? Unplug the goddamn washing machine. What's that? Yo, that's just flickering with the lights and shit. Alright now.
Oh well, what the fuck? You get your clothes washed.
Please get your fucking hand off of this. I don't like this. Please, just don't touch it anymore.
Fuck it. You happy? You get your goddamn clothes washed, ain't you, motherfucker? Told you. They repoed the mother...
All right, seriously, I don't want to be in this room anymore.
They repoed the motherfucker. How much you give them?
150?
What, you dumb son of a bitch? You got... That's more than we fucking owed on the motherfucker.
Well, you got rid of the fucking pool. We couldn't use that anymore.
Man, fuck you. And you...
Oh, God, there's a...
You keep your goddamn hands off that fucking washing machine. You done broke the motherfucker once. Fuck y'all.
Yeah, you need to put those underwear through the washing machine.
My underwear, my shit.
What?
I'm here to get your washing machine.
Dad,
What?
someone's here to get the washing machine.
What? What?
Washing machine.
Yeah, can I help you?
He's at the door.
Jenna, Tina, cover the fucking roof. Cover it up quick. Cover it. Hold him, back him off. Cover it. The fuck is this shit?
He's coming.
What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here?
Yeah, can I help you? Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I need to.
What washing machine?
The one you guys can't make payments on.
Whoa, this shit broke down. That goddamn 2-3 months ago. I told you all about it. You should have come and got it then. I done threw it in the fucking dump.
It's not my problem.
It's in the fucking dump, I tell you.
I'm picking that damn washing machine.
I don't give a you ain't picking up a goddamn thing out of this motherfucking yard.
Yes, I am.
Fuck you, get on that your goddamn truck. Get your goddamn truck and you get the fuck out of my yard.
Splash me. Dad, calm down.
Man, fuck you. That water shit I threw in the dump. Go back and tell your goddamn boss. They call me, they tell me, don't worry about it.
You got T on the camera.
I don't give a shit.
I want that washing machine.
Get in your goddamn truck.
No.
It's my goddamn property.
I want that
I want you fucking off of
Don't
it.
worry about it, Dad.
What?
He's just gotta get it.
I'll get him. You better get in that goddamn truck, you old motherfucker.
I can't until I get that washing machine.
You ain't getting it. You know, hey, I help you. You ain't getting it. That's yours. Pick up, put it in your truck, get out of here.
Okay.
I ain't telling you, get out of here.
Where's that washing machine?
Get out of here.
Come on.
This is my yard.
Come on.
Get it. You look at
Dad. Dad, he's not taking it serious. You gotta just
Get out
go.
of my goddamn motherfucking yard. Get out of my yard.
Yeah.
Dad,
Get out of
please.
my goddamn yard.
Dad, he's gonna call the police. You just hit him with a bicycle.
I don't care. You ain't got proof of that shit. Get out of here.
Am I taking this stuff with me too?
I'm telling you, get your goddamn shoes go. There ain't no goddamn washing machine. I ain't got no damn washing machine.
Dad.
No, it's in the dump.
The washing machine's in the laundry room.
It is the...
Are you gonna help me carry it?
I'll help.
Oh, hell no. I'll lock the goddamn door. Fuck you.
We gotta give it to him. He's
That's
got
my washing
paperwork.
machine. I took it to the dump. It's in the dump. Read my goddamn. The motherfucker's in the dump. Can you... I don't care about no goddamn papers. You know what you can do with goddamn papers? You can wipe the motherfucking ass that shit.
Okay.
But the only thing you can do with it. Look out, I'm through. Goddamn. Get out of there. Get in your damn truck and go. Get in your motherfucking truck.
Come on, let's go get that washing machine.
Michael, you...
Dad, we gotta get it.
You're not getting that wash machine. Ain't in there no more. I went to the dump. That's where I bought a goddamn Salvation Army.
You probably have to bring the police.
Fine, get your goddamn bullet. Put the fuck out there. You ain't getting it. You understand me?
Dad, he's gonna bring the police.
Get in there.
We call the police.
I don't give a who you call. Hey, I tell you. Come get it, motherfucker. Come get it. I'm serious. You get it.
Hey, can you send some police cars, please? We're gonna repossess a washing machine
Go to hell away.
Okay, thank you.
Private property. Private.
I'll be here in a minute. Oh, wait.
I ain't gonna be good. Fuck you. Get out of here. Get out of here, Michael.
What are you doing?
I'm washing my goddamn... Thanks to you, fat son of a bitch.
He had to get
All you had to
it.
do is tell the goddamn motherfucker washing machine to the goddamn dump. Now I got no goddamn... I gotta wash my goddamn drawers
Oh my God.
in the goddamn pool. This ain't worth a
Dad,
fuck.
he was gonna get the cops.
I don't give a fuck about the cops. I can lie to them motherfuckers. It's your goddamn fault. You had to help me lift it out of the goddamn house, man. The fuck is your problem? God damn, having to use the pool. What the fuck you looking at?
something that I have to point out.
What do you need to get the fuck away from me? Goddamn mother.
What? Oh my God, there's stains in the drawer.
Well, I can't get them out.
You ain't doing a very good washing.
Let me tell you one motherfucking thing.
How much is the bill for that piece of crap?
We only owe $50 more on it, motherfucker.
Then why don't you just pay it?
I ain't got $50. If I had $50 goddamn dollars, I'd goddamn beat the motherfucker. Oh. I ain't got $50. And you know, you, Mr. Beach, I have to carry it out, sir. You remind me of goddamn Stephen Fetch.
It was either that or you go to jail.
I'd have gone to jail. They wouldn't have got the goddamn washer.
Yeah, they would.
Stupid goddamn piece of fuck. Better than you do.
You have to wash the shirt over it.
That was so hard to. Yeah, you rewash that shirt now.
What the fuck? I wash in the goddamn pool anyway. Y'all need to get the fuck away from me. You, my name,
Whoa! Ah!
next time, don't you offer shit. We'd have still had the motherfucking wash machine. You goddamn piece of motherfucking shit. We'd have still had the goddamn washing machine. But now, here I have to take it out. You step and fetch, motherfucker.
Would you stop, please?
Beat your motherfucking ass. Tell you that right goddamn now. You understand me, motherfucker? Don't you volunteer enough. What the fuck you laughing at? You goddamn blackhead mother.
It's crazy. Whoa.
I hate you.
I want to take my clothes to the laundromat.
Yeah, we can go to a laundromat.
I ain't got nobody with goddamn laundry. We gotta wash them in the pool. Here, give me your goddamn shirt.
Whoa!
Give me your goddamn shirt. I'll wash that motherfucker too.
Hey! Oh, God! The eye!
Now I gotta rewash the goddamn shirt. God damn. What the fuck you got? You can turn that goddamn camera. Motherfucker.
Damn it, Jenny. Hold the camera.
Tell you right now. How'd I get the stains out my drawer?
Bleach.
Goddamn. Look at them goddamn motherfuckers.
You have to scrub those out or throw them away one.
You gotta throw those away.
You gonna swim in it later, right?
No, not now.
Get out of my goddamn sight. I've had enough. Turn that motherfucker off.
Seriously, you gotta just go get a new washing machine.
Ain't got the money, you dumb fuck. How hard is it to understand?
Just go look at the dump. I'm sure they're gonna throw the one they took back.
Goddamn lightning wiped out all the shit we fucking had, got no money. Tell you what,
My computer still works.
mine don't, mine blew up. Motherfucker. By the way, where'd you get the new camera?
I get paid. If you would have told me we owed on a washing machine, I would have given you the money.
The way he does his head.
Here.
What the hell? Calm down, please.
You ate.
You better get out of here.
What is that thing?
Gorilla.
Oh!
Joe, prank me. I can't even dry the goddamn clothes now.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I gotta dry my clothes some way. I knew it's goddamn 32 degrees, feels like I gotta dry my goddamn motherfucking clothes because y'all wanted to fucking play with my damn ass. And I tore up the damn dryer. Piece of fucking shit, you and that goddamn half-wit fucking son of yours. God damn y'all. God damn, it's cold out here. Motherfucker. What do you want? You see what I'm having to do?
Yeah, I'm trying to see what you're doing.
Well, what do you think I'm fucking?
I don't know what you're doing.
I gotta get my goddamn clothes dry.
Oh, that's windy as shit out here. No, you are not doing this.
You broke my goddamn dryer, you piece
You
of
broke
shit.
it.
You caused it.
You broke it.
Look at my goddamn underwear.
Oh, God. You're hanging them up out here.
What the fuck I got there dry, you dumb motherfucking two-bit son of a bitch. Damn, some nasty fucking socks.
This is embarrassing. What if people drive by?
Well, fuck them.
Bridget's gonna come over, man. She's gonna see this.
Fuck Bridget. My clothes got dry. I got more to hang out. I'll have this whole goddamn thing loaded.
No. I'm taking these off.
Get your goddamn hands off a motherfucker.
Ah, my finger's trapped. Ah! What the fuck?
Touch my goddamn.
Baby!
Wear my underwear.
Oh! What the hell, vamp? Ow!
Son of a bitch, don't you ever put no more goddamn pranks on me again like that. Now you cost me money. You cost me money. God damn, that hurt my hand. Fuck goddamn IRS.
Well, you lost your mind?
Dryer too now?
Goddamn. Oh, fuck all this shit.
What are you doing?
Gotta get the goddamn hand truck, you retard! Get the fuck out of my way.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, man.
Cut that motherfucker off. You ain't gonna help me?
No, I don't know what you're doing. What you doing?
I gotta pull my bridge up one day.
What are you doing?
I told you I gotta get the goddamn right out of the house. Dumb.
Oh!
Oh, you know, I'm 2-minute horse. Shut the fuck up. Nobody asked your goddamn about your opinion. Let me tell you something, boy. You and your goddamn pranks have cost me money. Your pranks always cost me money, you 2-bit motherfucker. Ah, goddamn! Oh, fuck! I ran across my goddamn toe.
You're hurt?
Goddamn! Woo! God damn! Ooh! I ain't lying, boy. That motherfucker. God damn. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, is it cut?
Oh, fuck. Motherfucker would have to be one of them. Get out of my way! You won't goddamn help me.
I don't know how. What the hell do you want me to do?
Suck my dick.
Well, I can't help you there.
Well, go over the goddamn door, you retard.
I can't get by. You gotta back it up some.
You goddamn stupid.
God, you're fucking rude. And what is wrong with you?
This motherfucker heavy.
What? Mom's holding a pin to stab
I'm
you.
losing my goddamn britches.
Well, I don't know how to help
I ain't
you.
got no underwear.
How do I help you?
Pull my underwear out.
Oh, there's a truck in the way. Hold on, Dad. Hold on. Ah! All right. You need me to open the door?
No, I need you standing there holding shit. You dumb fuck.
Fuck you. I'm getting on this side. I don't trust you. Do you need help getting it off of this thing? Do you need help? Oh, go up! Oh, God. Ah! God damn! You done some stupid shit, but tearing down the walls and breaking doors and washing machine. This is probably the stupidest. At least the washing machine still worked.
I don't like you. Look what you did.
Nice going.
Look what you did though.
Nice going.
Look what you did to my dryer.
Look what you did to it.
I hate you.
What are you doing?
Fucking hate you. Cause of you. I got no dryer.
I'm gonna pull a prank on the old man. Fuck you and your girl. We'll go plug the dryer. Here, hold this. I can't hear, so tell me when he comes.
Okay.
Got it. Oh.
I think he's coming.
Go, go.
Alright, what's up with this?
It's an ashtray with cigarettes in it.
Yeah, I thought you quit smoking.
Well, goddamn, I ain't quitting cold turkey, guys. I ain't quitting all the way.
I thought you said if I ever...
I've been smoking for how many years? It's gonna take me time.
Your words were, if I see you with any, to dump them out of your hand. The towel...
Give me the gun.
All right.
Oh, a cigarette butt in my hand.
That's choking me, man. Stop it.
Oh, drinking water now, huh? Oh, Dad slams bottles down.
You don't know what the hell you're talking about. God damn. Get out of my... Okay, I'm trying, close, okay?
Yes, I'm just...
I'm trying to get some...
I'm just trying to bother you with the camera.
What are you just standing there for? What the fuck? Goddamn thing broke. My goddamn dryer ain't working.
I don't know what's wrong with it. All right, Dad. Okay. Oh! Okay, wait a minute. Oh! I was joking! I unplugged it! I unplugged it! Stop! Dad, I unplugged the damn thing!
Goddamn!
I'm trying to tell him. He can't fix that.
He unplugged it.
You what?
I unplugged the washing machine.
You did not. Why did you unplug it? Now I ain't got no dryer. I got no dryer at all now. Ah!
You could probably fix it.
How am I gonna fix this shit? Oh, goddamn. It's all fucked up now. It's all messed up thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Don't you even do that. Be careful holding that thing.
It ain't never gonna work again.
All right, stop.
It ain't never gonna...
Hey! Put that thing down.
Fuck you!
Okay, stop!
What's that for? Why?
Dad, don't mess with that thing. Dad, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Get out of the way, number!
Dad, you're gonna electrocute yourself.
Get out of the way, number!
Oh my God! Dad, this thing's near your leg.
You know the way, number!
Don't plug it back in.
Get your head out!
Don't plug it back in. You're gonna hurt yourself. I don't like that thing.
Yeah!
Okay, please put it down. Oh God, you're cutting wires and shit. Put it down. Okay. Dad, please don't cut through that wires. Ah. Let me fix something.
Ah, goddamn! Get it back to me!
No.
Fine.
Oh, Dad. Now what?
Ain't nothing I can do, get my cutter back!
No.
Now I ain't got no drive! You don't know what the hell you're talking about. God damn. Get out of my... I'm drying clothes, okay?
Yes, I'm just.
I'm trying to get some...
I'm just trying to bother you with the camera.
You know, this ain't necessary. God damn!
You overpacked it.
I always do. Get more for your money. What are you just standing there for? What the fuck?
What's wrong with it?
I don't know, it wasn't. It's not working. Goddamn thing broke.
I don't know what's wrong with it. All right, Dad. Okay. Oh!
It ain't never gonna work again!
Jesus Christ! Stop! It could have been fixed. No, please.
Come on, bitch!
Oh, come on. What else can you do to it?
Now I ain't got no drive! Ain't got no door either. Get out of my house! Nothing else I can do. Thank you, Michael.
Oh shit, there's a big tear in the vinyl from right through the thing. Shit! It's a fucking rip. Where? I'm joking. Jesus, man! Use that towel to wipe your ass with. Ah, God! Jesus, scared the fuck out of me. Dad's gonna talk.
Never trust your son because he'll give you shit. He'll make you break your shit. He'll call you names. He'll treat you like an ass.
I'm sorry.
No more dryer.
I'm sorry, I said. Don't threaten me with that thing no more.
Yeah.
So how you gonna dry those clothes?
I'm gonna bring you your husband by now. So that's it. No
You
more.
could just hang him outside.
You can also kiss my ass. Somebody around here steal them.
Someone will steal your clothes.
They steal everything around here.
Bro!
Michael, let's
You're
go.
making a brand new fart compilation on your own.
I'm in need of a dryer.
I'm gonna get you one.
If y'all got a dryer laying around your house, you live close to me, I don't want no piece of shit. I want a good dryer.
Nobody's gonna send you a dryer.
Go buy one.
Anyway,
I'm gonna buy one.
they can't. If I get into the governor, I promise I will not let Michael and Bridget in the mansion.
Yeah, we'll come in.
They're not invited. I'll have the guards show them the way out. Boy, we can really do some cooking for Grandpa's in that kitchen, couldn't we? So remember, vote for Grandpa. Tell Michael to kiss your ass for breaking my dryer. And Bridget just, why say anything? So bye, youngins. I'll see y'all later. I'm done. I won't do no more.
Okay.